This is the Vroom vacuum system for a garage. Here is an easy to replace HEPA filter, and it is attached to PVC piping that runs up over the ceiling for a distance of about 30 feet total over to the vac valve, which is easy to grab onto and pull the hose out. You pull a full 25-foot hose out. It'll lock into place. Start it up. Grab the hose. Going to vacuum a little bit of dirt on the floor just to make it obvious. Very powerful. And when you're finished, you simply walk back to the unit. Give it a quarter twist. And it turns off. The Vroom vacuum system.